In front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Passwords Autofill. You need to start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then hit System and Update, Keyboard and Input Method, Autofill for Google, and Google Password Manager. Now it's time to click on any password you wanna check. Enter your screen lock and tap on this eye icon to make it visible. Quick tip: if your password is too long, just hit Edit button and check it out here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!